The Arleigh Burke-class, guided missile destroyer, USS Stethem, DDG-63, arrive in Jeju-do, Republic of Korea, ROK. This is the first visit by any U.S. Navy ship to the island, East China Sea. Rear Admiral Brad Cooper, the commander of U.S. Naval Forces Korea, will greet the ship along with Rear Admiral Kim Jeongsu, the commander of Maritime Task Force Flotilla 7, as more than 100 ROK sailors welcome Stethem to the southern island. The commander Cooper said that this may be the first time U.S. Navy will visit Jeju-do Island, but we have a long history of visiting the Republic of Korea at ports in Pyeongtaek, Donghae, Mokpo, and Busan. So, while the location may be new, our commitment to being good guests, respectful partners, and strong allies is as firm as ever. The ship is going to Jeju as part of a routine port visit following the ship's participation in Full Eagle 17, a joint exercise between the Republic of Korea Navy and U.S. Navy. While in Jeju, Stethem sailors will have the opportunity to participate in various morale, welfare and recreation activities, sporting events, and participate in community relations projects to give back to the local Jeju community. We are honored to be here and develop new friendship and strengthen existing relationships through team-building exercise, combined sporting events, and by giving back to the island through a community relations event, said CMDR Jeff W. Benson, Stethem's executive officer. The Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer, USS Stethem, is on patrol in the U.S. 7th Fleet area of operations in support of security and stability in the Indo-Asia Pacific region.